Alright, so this is video 3 and now we're going through foreign keys. Now what foreign keys are attributes or foreign attributes that link these particular tables together, and they allow us to have that relationship with one another. So if you think about it now, if I search up the employee table, I'm only going to get this type of information. I'm not really getting what store or sales office they work in. Same as if I look up the property ID table, I'm not understanding which property is linked in with what sales office. So the way that we link these in now is with foreign keys, okay? So foreign key attributes are generally taken from the primary key. So this is the primary key up here. And do you remember I was saying before in the previous video that the primary key is the key that helps with entity integrity. It allows each row to have its own record that's unique. Just like here, every single user ID is different from each other, meaning that this is the primary key for this table, okay? So now when we use foreign keys, what we do is, in this, we're linking these together. Now, to link a table with a foreign key, just really, you can think about it logically, like, are we gonna link 100 entries for each property that the sales office has over here? Probably not. It'd be better to link the sales ID to the property. So when we look up the property, we know which office it's being sold by. Now, the other way to know which side to put the foreign key on is to look at the relationship here. So if it's a one, if it's a one on this side and then a many on this side, which is a one-to-many relationship, what we do is we take it from the one side. So we take the primary key, which is the sales ID, and then we bring it over to this side as a foreign key, just below. And the way that we normally denote foreign keys is just by using the italic, but I can't do that in this instance because it changes all the attributes in the table. And so with this table, it's the same thing. So would we go and put 100 employee IDs into one single sales office table? Probably not. What we'd want to do is we'd want the sales ID in the employee table. So when we look up the employee, we know exactly what office they work in. Okay, and once again, we take it from the one side where we've got the one connectivity, and then we put it onto the mandatory side. Okay, so now what we've effectively done is we've created with what we call an entity relationship diagram here. We've got attributes in here. We've got the entities for each attribute. We have the participation. We have the connectivity, and we're describing each of the relationships that they have. All right, so that concludes module 1 of database design. What we'll be doing in the next videos, we'll be looking at some more examples of this, and we'll go through, we'll go through multiple examples to just really develop the skill of understanding the entities, the attributes, and the relationships, because it can be a little bit confusing at first. But what you'll notice is the more examples we go through, the better your understanding will get. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next.